I like to fool around with different flours. So I found a box of Teff flour, and I'm gonna make and hope it comes out, but if you're viewing this video, it did come out, a Teff waffle. So the dry ingredients are here, and I'm going to just mix it all up, and the wet ingredients are right behind. I'll pour that into there. And then we'll see about making the pancakes. Well, there's the second waffle I made, and you saw how much batter I put in. It'll take a few times before you get the right amount. And this one, nice, look at that. Oh. Deep pockets are nice and crispy. So that took 5 minutes. If you don't have a waffle maker that has a timer on it, and it was set at like 4.5 out of 6 for darkness. You could also make this pancakes. You don't have to make a waffle. I hope you enjoy it.